Garnishan lang natin ng ganyan para may green siya. Ayan. Dito tayo mamimit, pero bibili muna tayo ng permit dito. Tanong tayo sa loob. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, I just want to buy the permit for the fishing. How much is that?
For you?
Yeah.
14. Hey. You want just for you or for kids or
No, just only.
for you?
Yeah, because I have only one. How much is that for one day?
It's 24 hours, it's 14. 12 euros going to city and 2 euros for us.
Just only here.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Tikkurlakoski also.
No, only this side.
It's same.
Yeah.
But you can use in Tikkurlakoski also.
Oh, yeah. But is it only one day?
24 hours.
24 hours.
Yeah. We put this time
Oh,
and 24 hours.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Short is that one.
Yes.
Another one is for all year.
For 1 year, how
Yeah.
much is that?
It's 102.
Oh, shit. No, this is only for today.
Yeah.
I want to try the salmon.
Yes. Write your name, address, and birth years is enough.
Nakabili na ako ng permit. It's 14 euro. Medyo mahal, no? Kasi good for 24 hours siya. So, dalawang river to. Dito at saka sa Ticorila. So, 24 hours starting this time until bukas. Pwede mag-fishing. So, ganun lang kadali pagkuha ng permit. Kailangan kasi may permit eh. Otherwise, magka-problema tayo pag nahuli. Papunta doon. Tingnan natin kung may mahuli ba tayo. Importante makahuli kasi lugi tayo sa bayad kung hindi tayo makahuli. Dito tayo. Ganda. Ayun. Yun guys, oh. Meron din dito mga lamisa. Pwede kayo mag-picnic while fishing. Ano to? Medium. Medium. So guys, ito yung setup ko ngayon. Abu Garcia 3000 na series. Tapos medium siya, medium light. So tama na to pang salmon. At saka yung line ko 18 pounds. So yun, maglagay na tayo ng line guys sa ating rod. Gamit tayo ng swivel na makapal. Gamitan ko ng swivel na makapal, yung pang 20 kilos na swivel. Ito yung swivel na yan, 20 kilos to. Ito guys, pang fly fishing. Laki ng hook, di ba? Muna natin yung net. Just in case na makahuli, meron magamit ka agad. Swertihan lang to. Okay, let's start to cast. So palit tayo ng jigs guys kasi parang wala namang nakain eh. So i-try natin si yung puti. Kaso ito 12 grams. Try natin. Grabe naman, ang layo nun. Pag ano mo, pag retrieve kasi sasabit sa ilalim to guys. Kasi yung gamit ko jigs at saka 12 grams pa. That's a big problem now. Pagsasabit talaga. Hoy. Nawala. Ayun na. Nakuha. Natanggal. Hindi pwede yung ano, yung jigs dito. Talagang sasabit sa ilalim. Palit tayo ng isang klase naman. Ang gagamit ito guys, 10 grams. Makahuli. Ayun guys, so naputulan ako. Sumabit yung ano ko. Kaya palit tayo ng swivel. Parang zero ata to. Wala akong na-feel na nakagat. Ewan kung saan yung salmon dito. Sayang yung 14 euro na bayad. Kain pa tayo guys. Kalimutan ko pa ng tubig. Mainom ako dito sa tubig ng river. Lohi? Salmon?
Oh, kirjalohi.
Ooh, nice.
Nice.
Small.
Yeah. All.
Is it a good size or?
It is big.
Is it big? No.
We had same fish like 2 kilos. I had. Kato.
Uy!
Ooh, it might go back to the water.
Oh.
Ooh. How many kilos?
No, there's only 1 kilo. But I think this
One
is
and a half.
this is small. Yeah, this is small. I got a salmon, guys. But I think this one is small, right?
I don't know.
Not allowed.
Yeah, it's allowed.
Yeah, that's
Is it allowed?
allowed.
We take the same size and it was allowed. That's a lot of food. We had same one. It's fantastic. It tastes really good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for this.
Thank you for catching.
Guys, I got a salmon.
You can see how many pounds it weighs.
Yeah. Can you? Wait. How many kilos?
1.5.
Ah, 1.5. Is it
Oh.
good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Normal size is like just like that. Big is like 2 and small is under 1.
Tingnan mo ngayon. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys.
No
Thank you for the
Thank
information.
you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So, okay na. Tago natin to. See? Oh, ano? Bine. Sir Luis, ano? Meron ng salmon. Yan guys, 1 hour na lang uwi na. At least hindi zero, di ba? Naka-isa ng salmon, 1.5 kilos yun, o 1.6 I think. But it's good. At least hindi zero, di ba? It's 5 o'clock na, so kailangan na umuwi. Kasi nga, parang uulan eh. At ang importante, hindi zero. Nakahuli at least. Nakachamba. Chamba lang yun. Kasi yung iba, hindi nakahuli. So sa akin, chamba lang yan. So uwi na tayo. Lulutuin natin yung ngayon dinner. Yan. So ito na guys, yung salmon na nahuli ko. Yun. Pwede na to. Bahala na si Batman. Salamat salmon. So guys, ito na yung salmon. Naka-fili na. So lagyan natin ng salt. And then maglagay tayo ng dill. Dill talaga yung pinaka-partner. Okay. Okay, maglagay tayo ng mantika. Then maglagay tayo ng butter. Yung salmon natin. Okay, lagyan natin yung salmon. Ngayon maglagay tayo ng black pepper. Dapat yung black pepper natin both side to. Okay, balik rin natin guys. Oops. Okay, tanggalin na natin. I-arrange natin sa ating baking pan. Run. Kala mo malaking slice. So okay na to guys. Lagyan natin sa ating baking pan. And i-bake natin sa ating oven for 150 degrees up to 7 minutes lang. So ang partner natin nun guys is roasted potato. Lagay tayo ng salt, olive oil, rosemary. Natin yung potatoes sa oven. Yung salmon sa loob. Wala tayo ng fresh milk sa ating sauce. Then, i-add ko yung Knorr na Hollandaise powder. Mix lang natin. Add ako ng lemon juice. Ayan, malapit mag-thick. So, okay na to guys. Ito lang siya ka-thick. Ayan, pwede na yan. Ayan, okay na. Okay na to. So ito lang yung gulay natin sa ating salmon guys. Then may spinach din. Yung gagawin ko sa spinach, isute ko lang yan with garlic. Pakuluan po natin yan. Garlic. Yun, lagay natin spinach. Ganyan lang kasimple guys. Kaya malagay tayo ng ating ginisa mix. May Filipino twist to kasi ginisa mix. Haluin lang natin. Okay, ganyan lang, kasimple. Ayun, may bell pepper tayo, i-additional sa ating gulay. Isalin natin yung pagsote, okay? Kita ng butter dito, guys. Para sa ating gulay. Social yung salmon natin, guys. May poached egg. Ayan, lagyan natin vinegar. Nakulo na, guys. So, gagawin natin. Ganun lang yung tubig na pang poach. Tapos lagay mo yung tubig. Ito. Ayun o, rani yan. Raninos. Potato. Ayun. Kunin mo natin yung patatas natin. Ayan. Ayan ang ating salmon. Wow. Sarap. Ayan po siya guys. Carbohydrates. Ang ating roasted potato. Mix with this one. Ang ating then sauteed spinach natin. Ayan. Lagyan natin ang ating roasted. To make it special, meron tayong poached egg on top. And then ating hollandaise. Ayan. Garnishan lang natin ng ganyan para may green siya. Ayan. Tikiman time, guys. Kain tayo sa ating holy na salmon. Ayun, wow, napakarami. Napakarami ang ating poached egg. Kain pa tayo sa ating pinaghirapan na salmon. Sarap. Worth it.